Alright guys, welcome back again. Kita nak sambungkan kita punya perjalanan dalam game Dead Space. Sekarang ni kita dah masuk chapter 2. Kau tahu tak, dah aku main game ni apa yang aku belajar? Aku belajar untuk tak percaya benda-benda yang terbaring ni. Mangsa-mangsa yang terbaring ni. Menyeramkan guys. Ya ampun, kita dah lalu kat sini tadi.
Daniels isn't answering her rig link. What's your status?
I found a shock pad I can use on the barricade. I'm heading back there now.
Watch the voltage on that pad. I'm not losing anyone else.
Plant the explosive charge. Alah, dah tak ada benda. Weh, ya Allah. Biadab. Nah, aku backhand. Makan tu dulu. Nah ni, alah tak kuat.
Remember, when you reach the morgue, find Captain Mathias' body. Get his rig codes, and the computer's all ours.
Loop and transmit to all personnel. This is Senior Medical Officer Nicole Brennan. Medical is overwhelmed. We need help.
Kenapa kabur
Look at his
guys?
wounds. We can't handle so many trauma cases, and the command crew won't tell us what's happening.
Apa hal?
Maybe I have some PHP left.
Ada macam Minecraft pula petak-petak.
Remember, when you reach the morgue, find Captain...
Finally, boleh pun tarik keluar. Lama duk aku berpusing-pusing kat sini. Mana? Meh ni nak makan bateri ni. Sakit. Kurang hajar. Nah. Ya Allah, ada lagi tu ni. Melampau ramai pula diorang ni. Ya ampun. Tak rasa kan aku campak peluru kat dia. Macam-macam. Ni ke badan kapten tu? Tapi tak boleh masuk pula.
Level 2 security clearance required.
Mak ai.
Hull breach detected. Exiting evacuation.
Ada tangan. Ada kepala. Pucat dah karakternya. Mana datang pula asam pedas ni. Dah macam pari je aku tengok. Oh, dah hidup pula karakternya ha. Bosor gila. Oh. Slow-mo dulu guys. Apa yang boleh kita lempar, kita lempar. Ambil tu. Ya Allah, ada pula dia ni. Ni siapa pula?
Isaac, what's your status? Do you have the captain's rig?
Fuck me! Ugh. Transmitting codes now. I saw it, Hammond. A flying one turned the captain's body into another one of those things. The same must have happened to Chen.
God. Maybe the command computer has something. Where's Daniels when you need her? Head back to the security checkpoint. It's safer there. At least I can upgrade your clearance.
Ya ampun, apa lagi? Nah, aku kawan.
Isaac,
I'm here. What the hell's happening?
the computer says the Ishimura's engines are offline. We're on a decaying orbit toward Aegis 7.
Oh god. I have to get to engineering.
There's no time. That tram station's offline. Unless Here. Head back to the flight deck. I'll guide you from there. If this damage report's right, there's a shortcut to engineering.
Nah kau. Nah makan bag ni. Nah.
Flight deck tram control.
Aku ni kalau korang perasan, aku ni pantang tengok pintu yang boleh dibuka, kau tahu tak? Kalau pintu tu boleh buka, mesti aku akan masuk. Betul tak kau tengok? Aku explore dah guys dalam ni, tak ada apa. Tapi untunglah dapatlah peluru ke. Tadi kita dapat peluru. Kita dapat ni peluru machine gun kan. Tu yang shock. Explore.
Security recording retrieved.